Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix the entry point not found. Dynamic link library error message. Alright, so let's begin with the video. You'll usually see this error when trying to open a specific application or game, and it normally appears because a required system file is missing, outdated, or corrupted. I'm going to show you how to fix this in a couple of easy and effective steps. First, open up an internet browser on your computer. In the search bar, type Visual C++ redistributable and press Enter. From the search results, click on the top official Microsoft website. Once the page loads, scroll down until you see the Visual Studio Version section, and then click on the latest supported redistributable. You'll now see a few different download options. Make sure you select the x64 version, as this is the most commonly required version for modern systems. Once selected, the download should begin automatically. After the download is complete, open your Downloads folder and double-click on the installer file. Follow the on-screen steps by agreeing to the terms and conditions, then click Install. Give it a few moments while the installation completes. Once it's finished, make sure to restart your computer, as this step is important for the changes to apply correctly. After your computer has restarted, open the Start menu again and search for CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. In the command window, type sfc:/scan, now and then press Enter. This command will scan your system for any corrupted or missing system files. The process can take around 10 minutes, so just let it run until it reaches 100%. Windows will automatically repair any damaged files it finds during the scan. Once the scan is complete, you can close the command prompt window. At this point, the entry point not found error should be fully resolved, and you should now be able to open your application or game without any issues. And that's it. So that's basically how you can fix the entry point not found, dynamic link library error message. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.